Hello everyone, my name is Viviana Cuestas. I want to show about the tool Powtoon. Powtoon is a platform for create awesome videos and presentations. Okay, let's go. The first step is create your account, and you must fill this part: first name, last name, email, your password, and your job title. If you are a teacher, you can choose this education pre-K-12 teacher or the education professor. Okay, after that, when your account is already, you go login. I have an account. Okay, I put my password. When you are in your account, your name appears here. Well, do you have different templates that you can choose? Well, okay, these are all the templates and categories. There are pro and free templates. When it's a pro, means you must pay for that, and when it's free, you have a limit, a time limit. For example, your template is just for 5 minutes. When it's a pro, the template or your presentation, during more time than a free presentation. Well, I can choose the education. Okay, you click in teacher, and you choose in this part a free presentation. For example, I want to use this, and you can see a preview. If you agree with this template, you click use this template. Loading. Okay, now this is your template. Well, when you click edit, you can customize a template and go. Yes, when you click create, you can get full timeline control. Yes, that is a timeline, and you can control that. Well, but in this part, I go to click edit. Okay, you can change this word or this. Okay, you can add your name. For example, you double click here and you write your name. If you want to change the color, you select and click here. and put this, for example, and that is all. You click here and that is all. If you want change the character, you click here in this one, and in this part you can choose another character. For example, I want this. If you want the character say or show another expression, you click this and you can change the pose, for example, happy or typing. Yes, but in this case I want hello. Okay. When you agree or when you think that your presentation is done, you click this save and your presentation go to save. Now when your presentation is already, you must click here, preview and export. In this part you can upload, download or share your presentation. Now after that, the Powtoon show a preview of your presentation. When your presentation is ready, you click here, export. Now in this part you can different choices. For example, if you want upload or download your presentation. Yes, always I upload my presentations. I share my presentations in YouTube. Okay, I want to show one. This is my last presentation. Okay, this is the final presentation. Well, you can see your different templates. For example, you click here, click new, and you can see your Powtoons. Click in my Powtoons. Well, in this bar, my Powtoons, you can see your different Powtoons that you create. Okay, for example, if you want to see this, is a previously Powtoon that I create. Okay, double click here and click here, play, and can you see your part. Now if you want edit, we can do that too. Okay, click here and play, and you can see your part, your creation. Okay, what? If you want to edit this Powtoon, you must click it here, or if you want another, for example, delete, duplicate. Okay. Well, that is all. It's about Powtoon. It's a fantastic and easy tool for create amazing presentation for your classes face to face or in a virtual environment. Okay, thank you so much for your attention.